Hello, welcome to another episode of Alpha Welder. We're in Meadville, Pennsylvania today at Phoenix Laser Solutions. We're going to be showing you a repair for an impeller. We're going to be doing a build-up on the inside diameter. We're going to be using the ALFLAK 1200 fiber in combination with the turn and tilt optics and the wire feeding system, the ALDV. Alex is going to be our operator today. Alex, you want to come show us the job?
All right, Jonathan. So we've already done this side. First, we came in, pre-machined this whole bore. Then we added 3 layers of 120S on this 4340 impeller.
Okay. And so how much of a buildup did we put on the inside diameter?
So we were looking for about 60 thou per side.
Okay. Yeah, so what we've done is welded as far down inside the inside diameter as we could reach. Now what we're going to do is take the part and flip it over 180 degrees and weld it from the back side. So Alex, we turned this part around, we flipped it 180 degrees, so what's the next step?
So now we're going to clean this edge up a little bit so we have a nice tie-in. We're going to put additional 3 layers up this wall.
And so this is a 4.5 inch diameter hole, and we're welding it all the way through. It's at least 6 or 7 inches deep. So we had to weld 1/2 of it and flip the part over and weld the other half.
Correct. All right, Jonathan, put them glasses on.
I got them somewhere. Hold on, I got another pair. So Alex, what is the pulse rate you're using to weld this part?
So right now I'm at 21 hertz.
Okay, so that's 21 pulses per second. So when you're looking at this video, it almost looks like he's laying a continuous bead. It's actually pulsing so fast it just appears that way. So this buildup is 60 thousandths of an inch. How many passes with the welder do you have to make to get that buildup?
So on this one, we're going to do 3 layers, and that extra layer's going to make it just enough to clean up.
So 3 passes with what diameter wire again?
25 thou.
25 thousand.
So when they get this part back, they'll have an extra 10 to 15 per side to have the machine stop.
And usually with the welding rod, you get the buildup, which is equal to half the diameter of the wire.
Yes.
So if you're using 25 thousandths diameter wire, you should get roughly 12.5 thousandths buildup.
Correct.
And that can change with your settings actually. That's just what we found works best here. Another nice feature of laser welding is you can certify the repairs. So if we can weld a part and prove that it was an effective repair and a successful repair, we can use those exact same laser parameters and replicate that repair. So we actually develop a welding procedure specification, a WPS. Our customer will send us a coupon to weld on. We will send that coupon out for testing. And if it's successful, we can certify this repair and go back. And there's no question the repair will work with the settings we use because we've already proven it.